What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? I'm assuming not great, except for the Rainbow Bears. What up, Monir? What up, Joe? Yo, Ty and Rainbow Bear. Yep, exactly. I still need to add the Rainbow Bear meme. Have been putting that off. That shouldn't take too long. I need to get that like Hair Bear rainbow meme. What up, Easy? Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. All right. So today is Tuesday, January 25th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Once again. I mean, yesterday was Tendy Town. Somehow, because, yesterday during Power Hour, everything went green somehow, some way. But today we're back to normal here. I'm joking. Not like half joking. Yeah, today we're back to the red. And it was really bad today. It wasn't so bad earlier in the day. I think the Dow Jones was up for most of the day. And the NASDAQ and the S&P were down, but not like that down. And the opposite of yesterday during Power Hour here today, everything sold off. So we finished like massively in the red, especially for the NASDAQ. Tech has not been doing so well. S&P 500, pretty bad as well. But yeah, regardless, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And we have some news today. We got an article about Elon Musk and McDonald's. We got an article about YouTube and potential NFTs. I was pretty interested about that. And then we have one article about the Fed and the possible interest rates rising tomorrow when they speak. I mean, you already know that's not going to go well. And today for the analysis, we'll be doing XELA Exela Technologies. That was a major runner today. Top 10 on StockTwits. Congrats to you, Monir. Finally, right about time. And then TKLF, which is Yoshitsu. Hope I don't get demonetized for that, but it's Yoshitsu. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's a Japanese beauty company. So actually, Zach, he's not here right now, but he told me about that a couple of days ago, or like yesterday. Can't remember. But that made StockTwits top 10 today. So we'll do that one as well. And then as always, we'll get to our Yolos. Got some pretty fun Yolos today. A lot of memes. I don't know what's up with Wall Street Bets. It's like not too many actual plays themselves anymore. It's a lot of memes nowadays. Wall Street Bets is been kind of weird, but a lot of funny memes. So yeah, we'll get to that. So today's show shouldn't take too long. Not too much stuff to go over. 3 articles, 2 TAs. Not even, it's like 1 TA. XELA TKLF is not even a TA. It's just a regular chart. And the YOLO shouldn't take too long because a lot of memes. So maybe hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, depending on how many people come in chat. But yeah, should be around 2 hours. Alright, guys. So, let's do it. What up, Low Roller? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Crypto doing much better today. Yeah, I mean, better than nothing. It went up a little bit. Dogecoin have McDonald's partnership. Yeah, you're getting ahead of me, dude. I got an article about that. You can call it Yoshi. Yeah, probably stick with that. Yeah, I don't really care, to be honest. Can you check XELA sell point? Yeah, dude. I'm going to do a full TA. We're going to talk about XELA today. So I'm going to do a full TA on that. So just hang tight, dude. And, after we get through the news and the articles and all that stuff, we'll do a full TA on XELA. So I got you, dude. All right, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. And boom. And this is running in the aftermarket. XELA, I was looking at this before as well. It is running in the aftermarket, so that's a good thing for tomorrow. Okay. So let's do it here. So we got the Dow Jones down 0.19%. NASDAQ down 2.48%. That's really bad. And the S&P 500 down 1.22%.
And it's gone.
So, yeah, really nasty day here today, especially for the NASDAQ and the S&P. But really tech getting hit hard here. And the VIX is up 1.11 points. So, up 3.71%. VIX is at 31 right now. So, yesterday, it almost hit 40. So, now we're back down to 31, which isn't great. But, it's better than 40. But yeah, anything over 20 is considered pretty bad. So we're getting into some pretty dangerous territory here. VIX at 31. Microsoft dripping on earnings. Did the earnings just come out? I know people were waiting for that. Yeah, it did come out. So EPS was $2.48. That beat the estimate of $2.31. And revenue was $51.7 billion, which beat the estimate of $50.8 billion. So they beat on earnings there. So why is it selling off? See, nothing makes sense anymore. The earnings, people have said the earnings are going to be bad, but for the most part, earnings have been pretty good. They've exceeded expectations, and stock still sells off. So, but it's not too bad as of right now. At least it's not a Netflix or anything. It's pulling back a little bit here, like I don't know, 5% or something. Not even. So yeah, Microsoft going down right now, but it's holding up pretty well considering people were calling this to be like a Netflix again. All right, on to the watch list here. So starting on the green side, not too much green. But yeah, XELA up 33% today. Biggest gainer on my watch list here. And we will talk about that first today. Haven't talked about that in a while, so that'd be cool. Prague up 20.3%, but the stock has gone down a lot. CEI up 11.16%. American Express did really well. I don't know why. American Express is up 9%. That's a blue chip stock, so big day there. Bed Bath & Beyond has been low-key going up for the past few days. That's up 7.2%. IBM, pretty funny. I got a meme about IBM coming up later in the show, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, IBM, another blue chip stock there, up 5.65%. Big day for that. Energy doing really well today. I think energy is one of the only ones that was up today. Sectors, or the biggest sector that was up at least. BP up 4.74%, and Chevron up 4.25%. So big day for energy. VIX is up 4.21%. Could have been 4.2, 420. What up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Lockheed Martin, 3.71%. Yeah, there's a few select value stocks that did really well today. Looks like Financial's not doing so bad. Did pretty decently. Ally Bank, 3.71%. Sundial Growers, 3.57%. The ExxonMobil, another energy stock there, 2.94%. Looks like travel stocks are up today. Norwegian is up. BBIG is up 2.73%. DWAC 2.63%. Yeah, we got Carnival, Delta Airlines, Bank of America, more travel, financial stocks there. Win, another travel stock. Pfizer, 2%, pretty good. Oxygen, 1.81%. Hilton, another travel stock there. JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, TD, financial stocks. Viacom is up 1%. Wells Fargo, American Airlines. Yeah, so not much up. But financials, travel, and energy are definitely leading the way today. And then we have a few random value stocks in here and some meme stocks doing well. But for the most part, the stock market was being held up. I'm not going to say held up, but the only reason why the stock market didn't go absolutely timber today was because of travel, financials, and energy. All right, on to the red side. Tesla earnings is the market test, in my opinion. What is that coming out? I just saw this thing. Honorable mention. I just saw this article. GM invested like $7 billion into their EV space. So I think that's gonna that's 4,000 jobs and like a new factory or something. And they claim that they're going to outsell Tesla by 2025. So I'm not sure how accurate that is, but that's what GM said. They're going to outsell Tesla by 2025. So we'll see what happens there. I definitely think the gap will close, but I don't know if they're going to outsell Tesla by 2025. I don't know. We'll see, but big announcement by GM there. Right, let me take a sip of some water. All right, on to the red side here. So, yeah, everything in the red pretty much. Big red day. Let's see what's going on. So, Peloton down 10.7%. So, that was short-lived. You know, Peloton, that went off a cliff and then recovered for a few days. But, yeah, right back down, 10.7%. DD, 9.87%. I still don't know why that's trading, to be honest. Roblox down 7.7%. That's pretty bad. MMAT down 7.22%. That's at 167 now. Zillow, the hell's going on with Zillow? That's down 6.94%. DoorDash 6.78%. Netflix keeps going down 5.35%. Looks like EVs are down. Chinese EVs really down. Xpeng down. Li Auto down. Got Spotify down 4.92%. Shopify down 4.91%. AMD 4.63%. Nvidia down 4.48%. I think I saw some article. I forgot which one it was, AMD or Nvidia, but they had a deal with, I think it was called ARM. They were going to buy them out, and now that deal is going to fall through. So that wasn't good. Clover 4.35%. Neo is down as well. SoFi 4%. Uber 4%. AMC down 3.73%. That's down to 16. I got Snapchat 3.58%, DraftKings 3.54%, Wish 3.36%, Roku 3.26%, Amazon 3.15%. That's a pretty bad day for Amazon. Coinbase 3%. Damn, Moderna keeps going down 3%. That's almost at 150 now. Google down 3%. Yeah, tech Tech really getting wrecked here. Tech is really bad. Centro 2.78%. That's pushing $1. Well, $2. But it's pushing the $1 range. Facebook 2.77%. So yeah, Microsoft holding up pretty well here. That's down 2.66%. Down in the aftermarket, but it's holding up pretty well. Twitter 2.54%. Palantir 2.54%. Yeah, Walmart 2.2%. Meme index is down 2.1%. Tilray 2%. Ford 2%. So there's a decent amount of blue chip stocks here getting wrecked. Tesla down 1.25%. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What up, Zach? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Good. Yeah, feel you, dude. And, yeah, I was just saying about energy, Zach. I was talking about ExxonMobil. How, everything is down except for energy, pretty much. So, I think you guys are still in Exxon. So, sorry about that. MMAT going to $1. Yeah, it looks like it's on its way, and then it's gonna reverse split, and then it's gonna do it. It's gonna do a Centro. It's gonna do a reverse split, 15-1 reverse split. It's gonna be at like $5, and then go back down to $1. ExxonMobil shot green eggplants at us. I did sell 3 of my 4 puts this morning, luckily. Yeah, I don't know why energy is holding up relatively well to everything else. But yeah, there you have it, guys. There's the stock market today. Again, quick recap. Travel, financials, and energy leading the way. And everything else down pretty much. Specifically tech. But there's a lot of, blue chip value stuff they got really wrecked today. So, yep, nothing new here. Another bloodbath in the stock market once again.
And it's gone.
NVIDIA SPY GA. Yeah, I think NVIDIA was the one who had to deal with ARM, and that fell through. And yeah, and SPY, the NASDAQ, NDX, bro. That's GA. George's sunglasses aren't bringing in the big bucks. I don't even know what this guy looks like. All this talk about George for all this time, I've never even seen this guy. But it kind of sounds like a not a great CEO. I don't know. It kind of sounds like what's that? That's the other CEO. I'm blanking here, but it's he sounds like he doesn't care about his shareholders, and he doesn't care about a rug pull. Oh, Trevor Milton. That's what I'm thinking about. Trevor Milton, the Nikola guy, just doesn't care. It kind of sounds like he's in for it for himself. I don't know though. Microsoft down like 10%. Yeah, because it had earnings, and but everyone was expecting it to go timber, but Microsoft actually, the earnings were pretty good. They beat earnings. They beat estimates, so it's holding up pretty decently. Still going down though. All right, guys. So yeah, there's stock market. Let's move on to crypto now. Just picture Elon Musk, but a lot fatter. let me Google it. This guy, a lot bolder too. Yeah, Although Elon Musk was pretty bald too, but he got a hair transplant. He got like multiple hair transplants. This guy. Okay. Interesting. All right, so here's crypto today. Down 0.34%. Not bad at all, but still in the red here. So when I checked a couple hours ago, this was in the green, so it's pulling back since then. But yeah, let's check it out. So Shinji Inu. Is that even a dog? I can't even see. But yeah, that's a meme coin, down 11.6%. And then Ninja Floki is up 562%. This has been trending for a couple of weeks here. Ninja Floki. Can I see the chart? Although it is still... Damn truck. Although it is still bleeding. It's like pumping up and pumping up and pumping up. This is all it is. So it is up like 600% today, but still making lower lows. It's going to dump again. And then Pepe, or Pepe. This was trending for a couple weeks too. This is up 444% today. 440%. Yeah, another one. Pump and dump and pump and dump and pump and dump. And then, so it's a bit deceiving. But yeah, Ninja Floki and Pepe, those are up a lot today. And let's switch to CoinGecko here. Covered my Exxon short for nice 5% gain. Still have some puts, but don't really matter that much. All right, dude, I'm glad you get out of there with a nice profit. All right, so yeah, I see a lot of red now. Not great. Let's check it out. So Bitcoin down 1%, Ether down 1.3%. Binance is up 1.6%. Cardano going back to $1, down 5.3%. Solana down 0.3%. Those have been really bad. Solana and Cardano past week. XRP down 1.7%. Dogecoin up 3.2%. Let's go. I got some news about Dogecoin very soon here, so stay tuned for that. That's probably why it's up today. Avalanche up 7.4%. Interesting. Sheep down 3.9%. Polygon is up a little bit, 1.2%. Crypto.com 3.3%. Litecoin down 3.2%. Near is up 10%. Interesting. Phantom 3.3%. OKB 7.1% up. FTX up 0.4%. Everything else pretty much down. There's not too much. There's not too much green here. Yeah, let's sort this out. Is that Ecomi? Look at that. Ecomi is up 8.5%. Very nice. That's been climbing up the market cap. Congrats, Marvin. Yeah, let's sort this out here. This morning I cut most of my put bags except Lucid. I'm diamond handing those. Yeah, the Saudis got to dump eventually, right?
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Biddy had me fooled for a second. Had me thinking we was going green. Yeah, I didn't really believe it. I was like, dead cat bounce? I don't know. Doesn't look too great to me. Started slowly building VIX put position. As long as market doesn't crash, VIX will do the usual. So if you're buying puts on the VIX, you think that the market's going to go up. Right? So So that's a bullish play. What happened to Rainbow Bear, dude? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, sounds like a plan. I mean, you could. That's kind of like the same thing. You could just buy calls and SPY. It's kind of the same thing. But yeah, all right, dude. So it sounds like you're bullish in the short term there. Ikoma is going to the moon. Yeah, it has been. That low key. That low key has been This is number 63 now. That came out of nowhere. So yeah, it low key is going to the moon. All right, so what's up here? Safe Moon. It says Safe Moon old. So is there a new Safe Moon? I don't even know what's going on, but you know, it's the Safe Moon Dave Portnoy scam coin, up 221% today. I don't know what the hell's going on there. And we got some other stuff. Pocket Network, Loopring. Loopring did pretty good today. That's still at $1, but Loopring 18.6%. Thorchain, Near, Helium, Ecomai, Avalanche, OKB. Actually, this is a decent amount of green. Not too much, but maybe like 25%, 25 coins in the green here today, if that. But mostly led by growth. Not too much of value here. Biggest value coins are Avalanche and Doge and Binance. That's about it. Avalanche, Doge, Binance. And I guess crypto.com. All right, on to the red side. So most coins in the red, but price action not too bad. Nothing over 10% in the red here. Well, there are some pretty big value coins here. Terra, Cardano, Sheeb. But honestly, not too bad in crypto. It's down 1% right now, so I wouldn't really call this a bloodbath, but most of the coins are in the red. But not too much price action. So, yeah, slightly bearish day, but I'll take it. Not too bad in crypto today. Ikoma is moving to ETH via Immutable X. I did see you posted something about that in Discord. So, yeah, congrats to you, man, and good luck. Seems like it has a bright future. All right, let's get on to the news today. I think my neighbor is hammering something upstairs. All right. So today we got 3 articles. One about Elon Musk / Dogecoin and McDonald's. One about YouTube and NFTs, and one about the Fed. So let's do it, guys. Elon Musk makes McDonald's an offer they can't refuse. Dogecoin pumps. So you see Elon Musk is back with his tweeting. I will eat a Happy Meal on TV if McDonald's accepts Dogecoin. And McDonald's has not responded, but yeah. So Elon Musk, this is all that happened. He sent a tweet out saying, trying to be an ad for McDonald's, or trying to get McDonald's to accept Dogecoin. That'd be pretty funny if McDonald's accepted Wendy's should accept Dogecoin. For the meme. But yeah. So if McDonald's accept Dogecoin, he's gonna eat a Happy Meal. And for whatever reason, that sent Dogecoin pumping. Went from 13.33 cents to 14.49 cents. So, mini pump there. And yeah, Dogecoin is one of the coins that are in the green today. And it may be because of Elon Musk again. So, he's back at it. Shilling Doge and the power of Twitter and Elon Musk. If I was Mickey D's, I would do it. Yeah, that's some good exposure. That's some free marketing right there. I mean, why not? I don't really think too many people are actually going to pay in Doge, but, you know, that's some good marketing. McDonald's tweeted about Dogecoin last week. What did they say? Because it says they haven't responded to Elon Musk yet. They should, though. All right. Next article here. So I was kind of surprised about this and confused. All right. YouTube CEO Wojcicki, I think that's how you say it, right? I don't even know how you say it. Susan, we'll call her Susan. YouTube CEO Susan says the video site has plans to capitalize on Web3. Key points. YouTube published CEO Susan's annual letter on Tuesday, laying out the company's priorities. She touched on YouTube's plan to focus on NFTs as new web technologies capture the attention of creators. The company said its short video platform, which competes with TikTok, has 5 trillion all-time views. So I don't even know what this means. It says they want to incorporate NFTs and DAOs into YouTube. But it's just very vague. Like, how exactly are you going to do that? How are you going to make NFT? How are you going to put NFTs onto YouTube and DAOs? So I don't really think they have a plan. They just know that this is an emerging market, and there's a lot of money to be made in it, and they don't really have a plan moving forward on how they're going to incorporate that. But they want to do it somehow because this is a big opportunity. So it's very vague. I was very confused, and they really weren't saying anything. But I guess in the near future here, you know, expect crypto, NFTs, DAO somehow to come to YouTube. That'd be pretty interesting. I don't know, maybe YouTube's going to be in VR or something. That'd be interesting. The metaverse. So yeah, YouTube saying a whole lot of nothing, but they plan on getting into the crypto NFT DAO space. I would like some more clarification on this. What the hell they're talking about. McDonald's offered Dogecoin toys as Happy Meals? I didn't see that. That's pretty cool. I'd get one. What up, Machete? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Please smash the like button, guys, on your way in. Or if you haven't already. YouTube and the metaverse, I can see it. Yeah, kind of. I can see, like, live streams or something. Or maybe if you're playing a video game. I don't know. They'll do it somehow. All right, last article here. A little more serious. And I guess we got one for Low Roller. I look forward to my smarter gambling NFT. That'd be pretty cool. You know, I'm not a tech expert, so I can't really make one, but sure, why not? If I'd give some out for free to some loyal subscribers. I mean, why not? That'd be some good marketing. Maybe in the future. That'd be pretty cool. All right, last article here about the Fed, this is gonna happen tomorrow. So brace yourself, guys. You know, this ain't gonna be good. It never is. The Fed is likely to signal a March interest rate hike and that further policy tightening is coming. Key points. The Federal Reserve is expecting to signal at its meeting this week that it is ready to raise interest rates as soon as March and that it will consider other policy tightening. The Fed issues its policy statement Wednesday afternoon at the end of its two-day meeting, and it is expected to show that it is willing to take steps necessary to fight inflation. I don't think they're going to be spooked by this, said one strategist of the stock market's correction. They need to tighten financial conditions so they can have a better handle on inflation. All right, so not really breaking news. You know, Jay Powell did say he is going to do this next year. He said he's going to raise rates starting in December, which he did. And, yeah, inflation is going rampant right now. It is a huge problem. They overdid it for sure. They kept the money printer going on a little too long. So they're trying to, correct their mistake by aggressively tapering now. And it's not good. So, not a great start to the year. And what are they going to do? Raise interest rates again and tighten even more. So, not looking great. Not looking great for the overall stock market. It sounds pretty bearish to me. Plus, whenever the Fed says anything, it's bearish. So, yeah, brace yourselves, guys. Tomorrow will not be pretty, most likely. So, we'll see what happens. But that doesn't seem too great to me. All right, what do we have here? eBay will now authenticate trading cards worth $750 or more. That's pretty cool. Because there's been a lot of, scamming going on, and these things are pretty valuable now. You're not going to read this whole thing, but I guess the title says it all. I guess that's just kind of annoying, because you have to send them in to get them authenticated first? And they hold them for you or something? I don't know, but I think this was pretty necessary, because, yeah, the trading cards are worth a lot now, and these scams are running rampant. Saw that Logan Paul video the other day, him getting scammed for a couple $1 million. Kobe card, that's pretty cool. RIP to Kobe. And this looks like an original Pikachu. So, alright, that's pretty cool. I guess it was needed eventually. So thanks to that low roller. Alright, guys. So that's all the news for today. So let's get right into some analysis now. So, once again, we're going to be doing XELA, XELA Technologies. Doing pretty good on time here, 45 minutes. So we're going to do XELA, and then, I already forgot the name of it, TKLF. So this shouldn't take too long at all. It's really just XELA. TKLF is just, it's an IPO, so there's nothing much to analyze there. So this shouldn't take too long, and then we'll get to the Yolos, and that really shouldn't take too long either, because it's a lot of memes, so maybe we'll finish at 5:30 today. All right. All right, let's do it, guys. So here is XELA. Rambo's life. Thoughts on TKLF, hold or sell. You can stick around for a few more minutes and we'll get to that. I'm going to do an actual analysis on it. But in short, probably, in my opinion, you should probably sell, to be honest. Which is pretty nasty because it already went down so much. But I think it's going to keep going down, to be honest, unfortunately. But if you want to do it, you can stick around. Well, first of all, thanks for joining the show today. Appreciate you. And if you want to stick around for 10-15 minutes, I'll actually I'll talk about it more in depth. We're going to do XELA first. Alright, so here is XELA, XELA Technologies. This finishes at 55 cents today. That is up 32.95%. So we haven't talked about XELA in a long time. Sure, Monir, give me a second. Not since July when this first squeezed, or when this squeezed. And ever since then, it has been bleeding pretty significantly. Hit the low of 35 cents not too long ago. So a big pump like this was way overdue. This was trending top 10 on StockTwits today, so we'll discuss it. So there was a reason as to why this pumped up so hard today. We did have some news, so let's check it out. Sure, Marvin. Okay, so the company announced a renewal of its services contract with a consulting firm. The total contract value is over $35 million. So that's very vague. It's an undisclosed consulting firm, but apparently they've done business with it before. And they're just renewing the contract. So, yeah, pretty big news, $35 million contract renewal for XELA. So great news, great PR. Apes loved it, jumped in, and pumped the stock up 33% today. Very nice. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So this appears to be a possible cup and handle in the making here. Bottom of the cup would be the low of 35 cents. And there could be multiple possible tops. Could be 124, 143, 172, or 214. But no matter where the top is, those are all bullish indicators because that means this stock should eventually come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And no confirmation just yet, but this appears to be a possible bull flag in the making. So if this is in fact a bull flag, that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock wants to break out to the upside. Gotta go do life stuff. Good night, all. All right. Peace, Joe. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you. Catch you later. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 62 cents and 44 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 62 cents, 80 cents, $1.03, 124, 143, 143, 160, 172, 189, $2. How high should we go here? I guess we'll go to 3. 214, 229, 244, 260, 271, 284, and then $3. There is resistance above $3, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 44 cents and then the low of 26 cents. 26 cents is literally the all-time low. No support after that. So right now at this current price, 55 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 271 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get pretty wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 271. RSI is currently at 33. Great, here comes fire truck. 1 second, guys, gonna mute, my bad. Alright, we should be good, my bad. RSI is currently at 33, so no longer in oversold and undervalued territory, but still pretty low RSI. So still a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice, but yeah, a couple days ago this was at 12 RSI. That was extremely oversold, extremely undervalued. So no longer officially oversold and undervalued, but still pretty much there. And this did 180 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. And in the aftermarket here, this is up to 58 cents, so that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us tomorrow this will probably continue to run to the upside. So, just my opinion, not financial advice, guys. This one is pretty straightforward. There was absolutely no reason why. There was absolutely no reason to justify how low this went, down to 35 cents. It was way oversold, way undervalued, and it's about time that this bounced and reversed. So, no guarantees, but it does appear like 35 was the bottom. It should be, at least. And it should be bullish from here on out. Again, a lot of bullish indicators. Possible cup and handle, possible bear flag, low RSI. And this was at a yearly low, almost all-time low. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. You already missed a huge day today, but even here at 55 cents, this is still a great buying opportunity. Not too much more downside potential. A lot of upside potential. So this looks like a pretty obvious buy to me here. So I would support going long at this current price, 55 cents and lower. If it pulls back below 55, then average down at 44 and 26. These supports that I mentioned before. And now if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. It is way too late to go short here. Should have did that way earlier. From July to November, that would have been a good time to short. Here at 55 cents, it just pulled back way too hard already, and there's really not too much more tendies to be made to the short side here. And there's really not too many more tendies to be made to the downside here. Again, a lot of bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, a lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential. So really no reason to go short here. Going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense. So I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Hopefully this is the start of a reversal. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is XELA Exela Technologies. Yeah, Monir, I would say anything over $1. I'm not sure what your average is, but $1 seems like the minimum I would sell at. But yeah, I would say, like I said before, either $1 or 103, 124, 143, or like 170 would be a good time to sell. Maybe a little higher than that if you want to hold for longer. But I wouldn't sell it to at least $1, I would say. $124 looks pretty decent. It has some resistance after that. So I would say minimum $1, but you could sell at 124 or 143, because that's when it starts to meet some serious resistance. I'd probably say 124 or 143. SPY at 429. Check out SPY real quick. Yeah, not good. You talking about the futures, right? Yeah, it's not good. Thinking about getting some shares at TKLF, but still waiting for some setup confirmation. All right, well, we'll do that right now. Yeah, I was surprised seeing this on not Wall Street Bet, StockTwits, because I had no idea what this was until you brought it to my attention a couple days ago, Zach. And I'm like, wow, okay. It's made top 10. All right, so we'll finish up with this and then on to the Yolos. You're welcome, Monir. So here is TKLF Yoshitsu Co. Company. This finishes at $3.92 today. That is down 16.42%. So this stock started getting chatter yesterday. After a massive dump, it went down like 85%. And today, it seems like the negative momentum continues. So I really don't know too much about this stock. Apparently, it's a Japanese beauty company, and it just IPO'd. So there's not too much to analyze here, but let's see what we got. So here's a possible bear flag. No confirmation yet, but if it is, in fact, a bear flag, that would be a bearish indicator. That is telling us this stock should continue to run to the downside. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 380. So that's another bearish indicator that is telling us tomorrow this will probably continue to run to the downside. This did 20 million in volume today, which is the biggest volume day ever for the stock. Only the 6th day of trading, but big volume day. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So I'm going to base my opinion on how I feel about IPOs in general, not really specifically about this stock. So I always tell you guys, it's probably better to hold off if you're interested in IPOs. I would say wait probably a couple months after they launch, because generally speaking, they do sell off below their IPO price. A lot of the times they sell off way lower than the IPO price. So I understand there's a lot of hype when things first launch. But generally speaking, that's what happens with IPOs. They launch, big sell off, and they don't start recovering until months after the IPO. So I really don't think this is any different here. The sell off was a lot faster than usual, selling off 85% yesterday. But I do think this will continue to run to the downside. I'm not sure for how much longer, maybe a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months. But I don't think the bottom is anywhere close in sight. Hopefully I'm wrong, though. But yeah, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that just yet. Again, I would hold off for a couple weeks, couple months here, just observe the price action, see when this starts to bottom out and possibly reverse, then I would come in and make your move. No idea what price that's going to be at, but if you're a little bit patient here, you should be able to get a much better price. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I'm not sure if that's such a great idea. I definitely do think it will go to the downside more, but you just already missed a huge dump yesterday of 85%. So, while you should be able to make money on the short side here, I just think you're a little too late. So, personally, I wouldn't even bother with it. But it's not necessarily a bad play, because there is still more downside potential. So, personally, I wouldn't do it because I think you missed your chance already. But if you want to go short, I can't support that. And I would just say, same thing as the long side. Observe the price action. Watch until this starts to bottom out and catch support, possibly reverse. Then I would cover. No idea when that's going to be. But this is one you would have to monitor on the short and long side. But yeah, pretty straightforward. I would treat this like any other IPO. Short term, I think it's going to keep pulling back. And eventually, it will recover, I would say, in a couple months. Okay. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is TKLF Yoshitsu Co. Company. Okay, guys. Talk about the SPY ticker. Yeah, aftermarket, it is down to like 130 or 430. Not good, not good. Not good for tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, yeah, like I said, Fed talks tomorrow, probably going to be a bloodbath again tomorrow. So brace yourselves, guys. All right, so that's all the TA for today. Short and sweet. And yeah, let's get on to the Yolos, guys. Oh, for Marvin, VRAR. VRAR. Okay. So RSI is kind of neutral, 45. Possible cup and handle here. Big cup and handle, so that's bullish there. Don't know how long it's going to take, but, you know, it should come back up to 20, 21 eventually. And right now in the short term, this isn't looking too great. This could be a possible double top. Well, it's a single top right now, but it kind of looks like it wants to double top. Possible bear flag. So, bearish indicators there. So I think in like the really short term, next few trading sessions, it should keep pulling back. And this is low float. Yeah, I think it's going to keep pulling back in the next few days. But, you know, eventually it should come back up. I can like quickly draw some random supports here. So I guess you could. This is just a rough sketch, but you know, there's some supports here. 893, 844, 763. And here would be a low. So, yeah, I think, well, I'm not sure if you're in this or not, but, you know, if you're in it, consider averaging down. If it pulls back, I think it's going to pull back in the next few days. But eventually it should, you know, come back up. So, yeah, good luck, man. Yeah, so it looks short-term bearish, longer-term more bullish. So, I hope that answers the question, dude. All right, guys. Not in it yet. Okay. Yeah, I'd probably say if you can get this at 7, whatever this is, 763, 765, or 770-ish, that'd be a really good entry. Because then it might do the double top thing, or a double bottom. I try to catch this back at 770. I think that's a really good entry. Alright, guys. So let's finish up here with the Yolos. Got a lot of memes today, so give me a second here. Got to pull this stuff up. Yeah, got a lot of memes today. A lot of Kramer memes. Yeah, I don't know why Kramer's getting clowned so hard today. But I got a lot of Kramer memes here. Alright, almost done pulling this up. Yeah, I got a lot here. I've been watching from the sidelines. I just learned about the company recently. They're a metaverse software company, so pretty interesting. Yeah, I would say just be careful with that metaverse stuff because that's like the new big thing now. It's kind of like the .com bubble. It's like crypto, like the crypto bubble. I kind of feel like the metaverse is the next big thing where everyone is jumping in, trying to get in early, and if you hit the right stocks, you can get pretty rich. But for the most part, like a lot of them will go broke. So it is pretty interesting. Um, it does seem like Internet 3.0. All right, gotta let this finish loading here, and we'll get started. Don't know why it's taking so long to load. All right, I guess we'll get started anyway. I don't have too many frames here, but that's all right. All right, so today you're lagging, bro, on the feed. Yeah, I don't know what. Let me check this real quick. Yeah, I'm not getting too many frames here. I don't know what's good. Should be good now. Let me double check. I think it's good now. Should be good. Let me know if it's still lagging, but it should be good now. All right, guys. So today we got a lot of Yolos, a lot of memes, a lot of Jim Cramer memes. I don't know why everyone's so hard on Jim Cramer lately, but a lot of Jim Cramer memes. Some other memes. Got some Peter Tuchman memes, and then we do have some actual lost corn / gain corn. But today's mostly memes. I don't know what's up with Wall Street Bets, but they've been posting a lot of memes lately. Not too many actual YOLOs. So let's do it. This one is by Logo F Poo. This is who you're taking stock tips from. So we see it. Jim Cramer tweet. Netflix buy. This was on January 3rd. Yeah, that didn't last. That didn't age very well. Have a short video here. And that's not actually Jim Cramer, but it sure looks like him. Some guy walking in his underwear. So yeah, first of many clowning Jim Cramer tweets. But yeah, he did say buy Netflix on January 3rd. Terrible call there. All right, this one is by Jesus Christ. Do you think CNBC gets a tax credit for hiring an artard like Cramer? So, Cramer, I don't see earnings collapsing. Thought that was him. Yeah, there's a lot of white bald guys. It looks like him. So, I don't see earnings collapsing. I don't know. I guess it's still to be seen. Earnings are coming up here. Netflix did terrible. Microsoft is holding up pretty decently here. But, the joke is inverse Jim Cramer. So if he says earnings aren't going to collapse, good chance they're going to collapse. Which is not a good thing. So, but they hire Jim Cramer. because he's an entertaining guy. Honestly, I don't think he should get clowned on this much. I kind of like the guy, personality-wise. I mean, obviously he's a pretty smart guy, but you shouldn't literally take his word. But he's a good television personality. You know, very very energetic, pretty funny, and he doesn't have memes, but he has sound effects, which is an inspiration for this show. I kind of stole the Mad Money. Mad Money is definitely an inspiration for this show. So I don't know. Maybe I'm being a little too generous with Kramer here. I like him a lot more than the apes do. But yeah, so I don't see earnings collapsing. If he says if it's not collapsing, might be collapsing. So we'll see, guys. And do they get a tax credit? No, they make a lot of money because a lot of people watch this guy, especially the older generation, the boomers. They love this guy. I like him too for the entertainment factor, not really for the stock advice. Dude be missing a shoe and sheet. Lol. Yeah, that's kind of weird. I don't know what was up with that guy. That guy wasn't Kramer, but he's walking in the snow with like a sock on in his underwear. I don't know what that was. All right, this one is by Change Guru 2000. Kramer is broken. So we're getting contradicting statements here by Kramer. Jim Cramer explains why he's waiting for the market to go lower before buying stocks. Jim Cramer explains the oversold market and why he's buying stocks right now. So which one is it? Well, you can inverse either one, and one of them will be right. But yeah, you can't make up his mind. I don't know why he gets clowned on this much. Alright, next one. By Remarkable Scarcity 8. Puts on all these tomorrow. So Kramer's digging into a stock that many on Wall Street are not watching closely. So I don't know when this was, yesterday, but he's talking about Palo Alto, Airbnb, DoorDash, Etsy, PayPal, Crocs, Upstart, Enphase, Moderna, and Dutch Bros. Hey, I like Moderna. That's not good. So if he says, watch for these, puts on all these tomorrow. Yep, damn right. No, not actually. But, inverse Jim Cramer. So, I think a lot of these did go down today. So, more Cramer clowning. Now, it can't be wrong either way, exactly. Inverse one of them and you won't be wrong either. This one is by Professor. Was feeling bad about my puts for IBM. Now I'm feeling good. Thank you, Jim Cramer. IBM true blowout and great projections. So if he likes IBM, you should probably inverse that. That's why I was laughing earlier during the watch list rundown, because IBM went up. And a lot, actually. And Kramer likes them. So, I don't know. He's right about this one so far. So this guy's puts for IBM. Well, if he says IBM is going up, good chance it goes down. We'll see. But yeah, more Kramer predictions here. Error 404, Kramer cannot be found. I got another one, though. We're saved, boys. Kramer says selling not done for tech stocks and trading at high multiples to sales. Those have had it. I don't know. He's right about this one. Tech is still selling off. So if he says tech is not done selling off, it might be done selling off. But today, got pretty wrecked. So he's not wrong all the time. But I think that's all the Kramer clowning. Yeah, I don't know why they went so hard on Kramer today. There's just memes everywhere about Kramer. He gets a lot of hate from Wall Street Bets and like Twitter in general. He's always complaining about, why is everyone on me on Twitter? And he keeps checking it too. All right, so on to one of our favorite memes here. The legend himself. This one is by C1969. I don't know what to make of this. I'm so confused. Stock market outlook, S&P 500 could fall another 10%, Morgan Stanley says. So this is the first. Usually, so here's the legend, Peter Tuchman. This guy. Yeah. So he's the bullish indicator. Whenever he's on CNBC, stock market goes mooning. But this is like the first time we've ever seen like him in a bearish mood. So, I have one here. But, I've never actually seen him on a losing day, like him in a bearish mood here. So it is kind of confusing. What do the apes think? Groundhog, is today Groundhog Day? Ground Bear Day. If he drops his hand and there's no goatee, it's 6 more weeks of bear market. Is today Groundhog's Day? Everyone's making Groundhog Day jokes. Anyway, so this is a first. Peter Tuchman going bearish. Kind of confusing. I don't know what's up. Confused stonks. Yep, this is a bad first sign. Yeah, if the legend is bearish, then probably not a good thing. Is Peter Tuchman a buy signal? So here's him again. But this is like kind of an indifferent. This is like a neutral mood here. This is not good or bad. You can't really tell. Yeah, short sellers are up 114 billion this year with winning bets against Tesla and Netflix. So I don't know what to make of this one either. It's not bullish. Not really bearish either. But yeah. Kramer and Tuchman. Got a lot of memes today about those two. What is this joke with like him covering his goatee? Apparently if he has his goatee, it's bullish. But if you can't see his goatee, it's bearish. So he's in a mask, so you can't see his goatee. Is that bearish? I don't know. That's a new one for me. I never heard that one before. What's up with him and his goatee? Interesting. Alright, so we're done with the Kramer and the Tuchman memes. So here's another meme. I didn't expect this. So, me 2021, Super Ape. Some Dragon Ball Z stuff going on here. And then versus 2022, Ape on life support. Pretty accurate. I guess he's flipped now. He's a sign for the Bears to go ham. Oh, no. I sure hope not. Because he is the bullish indicator. How could he flip? That would suck. But I guess that could be a running joke too. All right, this is by Blackmagic 512. Seen in the wild, Houston, Texas. Diamond hands need manicures too. That's pretty awesome. So I guess it's a spa place for your nails and stuff. So they're onto the Wall Street bets. Diamond hands need manicures too. That's pretty cool. Alright, so enough of those memes. On to some legit Yolos, lost corn, gain corn here. This one is by JDouble2001. From $5,000 to $90,000 to $200, all at 20 years old. So yeah, we see so 5,000, he stuck around. Was this 90? So yeah, 5,000. I guess he discovered Wall Street bets, discovered YOLO FDs, ran it up to 90,000. Lost it all back pretty fast. You know, gained a false sense of confidence. Lost it all back and more. And then he ran it back up again. And then from here, just straight. He really didn't do that Rick James, Dave Chappelle meme. Cocaine's a hell of a drug. Yeah, I'm going to add that. I'm going to write that down right now. That one and the Care Bear one. Can you say cocaine? Is that like, does YouTube? I don't know. I'm going to add it. Or maybe I should have it in, have a gif of it and not him actually saying it, but just want to make sure you can say that without getting in trouble. Without getting flagged or like demonetized or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna add that one for sure. And the Care Bear one. So yeah, I don't know what happened here, but I know what happened. So big drop. Trying to dig himself out of a hole, and it's gone.
And it's gone.
So, yeah, this is what happens when you discover Wall Street bets, when you discover FD YOLO options. But on the bright side, so all in all, he's down like $5,000, $4,800 from start to finish. It's not too bad, But really sucks he ran it up to 90K and lost it all back. But, valuable lesson for a 20-year-old. At the end of the day, it's not too bad. Yeah, this is a bit misleading. He's not actually down 90K all time, but valuable lesson learned here. Chill with the FD YOLOs, and maybe secure the gains next time. And at least he's 20 years old. Lost $5,000. At the end of the day, it's not too bad. But this makes for some great lost corn here. So, J Double 2001. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. But like I said, it's not all too bad. It hurts more because you were up so much. But yeah, you're still young. You learn your lesson, hopefully. And, you come back stronger. So thanks for posting. Good luck to you, dude. Alright, this one is pretty good. This one is by Zafaris. Did I win? So let me zoom in here. So yeah, we see total proceeds about $10 million, cost basis $11.5 million, total wash sales $2 million, realized gains and losses negative $1.9 million. At least take out initial investment and gamble with the profit. Yeah, he got a bit too greedy. This is what happens with these young kids. They hit a hot streak, beginner's luck, and then they get too overconfident and then just chuck everything back. So that's what I'm saying. I hope you learned this lesson there. That actually wasn't like the worst thing in the world, all things considered. This one, I don't know. So yeah, this guy lost almost $2 million, and it's realized in 2021. So lost $2 million in 1 year. What the hell? So you can't even write this off. Like, you're gonna be deleted before you can even write this off totally. So I don't know what the hell this guy did, but did he win? Depends how you view it. You're a legend on Wall Street Bets now. You're an internet legend. You won in that sense. But I think your wife is probably going to leave you for a boyfriend. So, did you win? I guess that's subjective. Yes and no. But regardless, great content. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Hope you can survive this. And, yeah, good luck to you, dude. You won an audit. All right, 3 more here. This is by Red Ev 87. All the way back, boys. 232K to 15K to 337K. Yeah, so this is obviously FD Yolos. Don't do this, guys. I really recommend you not do this. This is some straight up gambling addiction right here. So, yeah, he lost like 215K. Dug himself a hole and climbed out of it. Somehow. Yeah, so these graphs don't really matter, but yeah, this is some crazy swings, and don't think you guys should really do this. This is pretty nuts. This is called super degenerate gambling addiction. So don't do this, guys. A great way to lose your money, unless you can afford to lose it. And suggestion for this guy: chill, bro. Chill. Just secure the gains. That's a lot of money. Because if you continue to do this, there's a good chance it goes back to 0. So, happy for this guy. Oops. Forgot to silence my phone. So happy for this guy. But I'm glad he dug himself out of the hole. And at this point, I would just chill, secure the gains. Don't do this again, because you might go back to 0. But, yeah, great content for Wall Street Bets. So, Red Ev 87, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. My suggestion, chill, secure the gains, and good luck to you. SPY puts. So they're all SPY plays. All right, 2 more. This is by WSB to Moon, Wall Street Bets to Moon. That's what I love about Putin, man. U.S. presidents keep changing, but Russian presidents stay the same. So this is a XLE YOLO, which I believe is the energy ETF. Let me make sure. Yeah, Energy Spider. So Energy Index Fund. So we got a lot of calls here. 200 calls. So for January 28th, which expires this Friday, 3 days. 200 calls for the 65 strike. And for February 18th, 50 calls for the 65 strike and 400 calls for the 70 strike. So this was about a 23.5K YOLO. And right now he's up almost 24,000 bucks, 100%. It's time for him to get his boomer on now. Yeah, actually, because he'll be good for the rest of his life if he just does the boomer thing. All right, so XLE is 65. Just barely. 65.31. Actually, in the aftermarket, it's down. So this is just barely in the money right now. I don't know what this has to do with politics, but so yeah, I think this is a sell. RSI's at 70. Yeah, this is like all-time high. RSI's at 71. So yeah, I think this is a pretty obvious sell here. The January 28th those are the obvious sells right now. Because this is like just barely in the money, not even. So those got to go. Secure the gains there before it expires worthless in 3 days. Good chance that it does. Got to get rid of those. And I guess you can justify holding on to the February 18th calls, but I'm not feeling too great about those either. I'd probably just cut everything. I'd secure it right here. 100% secure it. Some fat tendies. Playing with fire. These are like very close to the money / out of the money. So yeah, I think that, personally I'd cut everything here, but at least cut the 65, or at least cut the January 28th calls, dude. But yeah, Wall Street bets to moon. Thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. Hope you sell, but no matter what, please post updates. All right, last one. This one is by Ecom Zach. Good week SPY puts, then AMC calls at the bottom today. Selling calls at open and buying SPY puts with everything. Today was definitely not the bottom. SPY only down 12% from peak. All right, so we got a rainbow bear here. And I'm not really sure what the plays were themselves, but see here, in the last week he's up 28,000 bucks, 622%. So, yeah, I can't really comment on the plays themselves, but this guy seems like he got pretty lucky. He's playing the casino right now. SPY puts, then AMC calls. And then he's going to load up on SPY puts. So, you know, made a lot of money in a week. Ran $4,000 to $28,000. And I have a bad feeling about this, you know. This is like all the other Wall Street bets guys. You run it up, and then you get too greedy, you double down, and end up losing everything. So, honestly, I just chill here. You know, this is a pretty good bankroll, and it may work out, but this is pretty risky, and this may go back to zero if he keeps up with this. But regardless, you know, very well done. Don't really think you guys should do this. This is pretty risky, but it worked out here. Personally, I just chill out for a little bit, but it doesn't seem like he's gonna do that. He's gonna keep YOLOing. So yeah, good luck to this guy. So yeah, Ecom Zach, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, and good luck, man. Hope you don't lose your money. But yeah, guys, that is the show for today. So yeah, I said probably going to be hour and a half, 2 hours, so we're going to finish about hour 40 here. So yeah, you know, pretty good show. Short and sweet. Not too much content, you know. YOLOs were okay, but, you know, short TA. Got to the point there, XELA and TKLF, and some interesting news. So, you know, short and sweet show today, right to the point. So hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. And that's it. That's all I got for today. So yeah, another nasty day. Not expecting much from tomorrow. Tomorrow's probably going to keep selling off. More probably. You know, Fed is talking. But yeah, that's all I got, guys. So thank you guys for joining today. Appreciate you guys. And if you guys don't have anything else, questions, comments, concerns, we'll get out of here. So if you guys have anything else to say, questions or charts you want me to look at, put them in the chat right now. Otherwise, that's it, guys. Hopefully Thursday a good day. Yeah, one can hope, but short term, you know, I think it's going to keep going bearish. He said he's going to raise rates in March, so it might be bearish from here through March. We'll see. Hopefully not, but not looking great. But all right, guys, I think that is it. So let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.